Hedgehog Technologies is an electromechanical engineering company, and we do projects where high-performance engineering products are required. We work in renewable energy, in remote locations, we build roller coasters, and we have built submarines. Because we're in the renewable energy industry, Fort Severn First Nations community had heard about us. They are located on the most northerly point of Ontario, and where Manitoba, Ontario, and Hudson's Bay join, an area called the Severn River, which is the last breeding grounds of the polar bear in Ontario.
They have long ancestral ties with the polar bear. They've been tracking polar bear activity out there for a long time. And so they noticed a change where the polar bear were changing their patterns and behavior. That was quite alarming to the community. So that really motivated and sparked this commitment to starting this project and doing renewable energy in Fort Severn.
Their electricity is powered by a diesel generator. They have only two ways to get the fuel up there. They can get it up either by barge on Hudson Bay, or they can get it up by ice road. So you can see it's very expensive and carbon intensive. So they saw a real need to do a renewable energy project up there. Their primary energy load is heat and light. That uses hundreds of thousands of liters of diesel a year. And they proposed a solar project that would reduce the diesel consumption by about 100,000 liters of diesel. This project is a 300 kilowatt solar farm. 300 kilowatts is about 2 football fields in size, and that could power up to maybe 100 houses. We were actually brought onto this project after an original team had attempted it and were unsuccessful. The first thing we did is work with the community, talk with them about what's important and the order of things based on the seasons and the culture and the land.
These projects are their projects and they want to see them succeed, and we're there to help support and facilitate that. As much as the system really aligns with cultural values and goals for them in terms of being more environmentally friendly and courteous, the other goal is for them to have a bit more ownership and control over how they produce and utilize energy in their community.
Because of the displaced cost of fuel, they don't need to bring it up anymore. They're being paid to run this solar farm by the utility. They're making a couple $100,000 a year. The chief is putting all that money into building new houses. So that was one economic benefit of this solar farm. The other is we were mentoring people. We gave a course on how to build solar farms so they can fix it themselves and maintain it themselves. So it took extensive amount of planning and a lot of creative engineering.
Being able to design and work with people that are committed to these kind of projects is amazing.
It proves that these northerly projects are possible, and it's possible by the people that live there.